The Gradebooks feature in the Changing Perspectives Educator Portal is designed to help teachers formatively assess student understanding and performance. With Gradebooks, you can connect your classes and planners, track student progress, and export results for use in other platforms. Before creating a gradebook, you'll need to have two things already set up: a class of students and at least one planner. Once those are ready, open the Gradebooks dashboard and click New Gradebook. Enter a name for your gradebook, then connect it to both a planner and a class of students. Next, choose a grading scale. There are multiple options available under grade type. After clicking Create, your new gradebook will appear in the list. To open it, simply click the gradebook name. Students from the class will appear in the left column, while planner tasks display across the top. The gradebook updates automatically as you add or remove tasks in your planner, keeping everything in sync. To enter grades, unlock the gradebook using the lock icon in the upper right corner. The grading scale you selected will appear for each task. When you are done grading, simply lock the gradebook using the lock icon. If you'd like to use the data in another system, you can export the gradebook as a CSV file for easy manipulation and sharing. With Gradebooks, you can efficiently connect classes and planners, assess student learning, and keep your records organized all in one place.